New vintage USA gauge packages for 72 to 02 Dodge trucks will update the looks and functions of your old Mopar. 72 to 80 kits feature a compact package. 81 to 93 Dodge kits mount easily and are available in several backlit styles that bring a new look to your dash. 2nd Gen Ram packages feature a full 6-gauge setup with our exclusive direct drive. Kits come complete with mounting brackets, hardware, senders, and wiring. All NVU gauge kits will operate on virtually any powertrain combination. Update your dash today. Tired of the same old thing? Looking for a way to really set your dash apart? Another feature that sets NVU kits apart is the wide range of designs available in every vehicle kit. Looking for that old-school retro look? No problem. Maybe something a bit more modern or even over the top? NVU's unique styles have you covered. From mild to wild, there's something for everyone in the NVU lineup, something the industry has come to expect from the design leader in the gauge field. NVU takes things one step further by designing and printing all dials in-house to ensure the designs are brought to life without any compromise. Phoenix platform gauges are built right here in Detroit and painstakingly crafted for reliability and performance. All instruments offer a wide range of functions from performance timers, shift alerts, and settable odometer mileage. Built-in indicators and LED lighting is standard. Direct drive kits have the absolute easiest and cleanest wiring available. Wire up the driver gauges by color, plug in the minor gauges, and you are done. Add on our SnapAdapt for a truly plug-and-play solution.